Hello. The brush, like the Etsy shop. Where is it? It creates a bokeh or blur effect and has no own color. Okay, and the effect of this brush is, I go to the Procreate app. This is a canvas 1440 pixels by 1120 52 pixels, and it's different on the pixels of the canvas, but it works like this. This is a unsharp brush, and when you brush here, you can change the intensity, and the effect is that it gets blurry. You see? This is unsharp. And I go a few steps back, you see it clearer. And the bokeh brush works nearly like this brush, and you can brush here and it makes such a effect. And you can adjust the intensity, but the brushes are working. Okay, I hope you understand what the brushes do. Thanks. Have fun with Procreate. Ciao.